Who could use an unconventional idea for getting their creative juices flowing? I know, I hate the phrase creative juices too. So, to play with that, what if we said, who wants some tips and tricks to get their creative process working and more fun? More fun. Who wants their creative process to be more fun? So, here's a few ideas that I have as someone who is learning to both work with conventional methods, but also understands that sometimes I just have to go a little bit off the rails to find myself in what I am doing. I'm Emily B. Riddle. Hi, I'm so glad you're here. I'm a romance writer. I've published 3 books so far, with a 4th book out this summer, and I am so excited to talk to you about some unconventional methods for getting your creative process working. First things first, make a plan and then be really comfortable throwing it out. I love to plan. It gives me a sense of control and power that really makes me happy. And I have finally, after 4 years now of writing with the expectation of publishing, I've come to the realization that I can make a plan, I can have some ideas, and there's a good chance I will not be sticking to what I have laid out for myself. So, what works for me now, instead of making a hard and fast plan of this is what I'll do each day, I make a list at the beginning of the week. I write down the things I hope to accomplish. And then every morning, I look at my list and I pick and choose how I'm feeling that day. Today, for instance, I'm feeling quite chatty. I've had a great day. I've been out in the world with the people. And this is a great thing to do. Spending some time making a YouTube video to hang out with you, it feels like a great use of time. I did have the idea that I would be outlining my new book today, but this is what's working, so this is what I'm going with the understanding that tomorrow I will probably be wearing my very comfy pants and no makeup of any kind, and it will feel really good to spend all of that time outlining the new book and doing none of this work. So make a plan, but be really okay with throwing it out and following your instinct for what you could do today to be your most productive while being creative. The worst thing you can do is force yourself to sit and try and make something happen that does not want to come, especially if you are feeling excited and encouraged to do something else. Don't be afraid to change up when and where you do your work. Now, I love the idea of same time, same place every day. And it's an ideal idea. I don't know how well it works for people. I do know that for my lifestyle with kids at the age I have them and a little bit of an erratic school, parents' day out, life schedule, committing to working at the same time every day is nigh impossible for me. It does not work. So I definitely work at different times every day. I also move my locations. Mostly I work at my desk, but very often I just want to sit on my sofa with my comfy blanket on me and work in that space. And sometimes even when the wind wants to pick up, it's just lovely to be outside on a sunny day with the birds singing. So don't be afraid to move around. Don't be afraid to try different times. It might take you a little while to figure out when you want to work anyway, and where you want to work anyway, where you get it going the most. But I think if this is something you plan to pursue, you're going to find you're doing it at different times and in different locations all of the time, regardless. So let's embrace it. Let's make it fun. Let's move the target and see how we do. Third tip, find fun ways to get yourself in the mood to write. For me, it's dancing. I put in my earbuds. I go somewhere like my bedroom, or if no one's home, anywhere that I feel like it, and I dance around. I pick a song that gives me some great energy. Very often it's Taylor Swift. Sometimes it's something like Sam Cooke. What's your vibe? Go with that. And then just a little boogie can get things going. If that's not your vibe, if dancing sounds mortifying to you and I will feel worse after I'm done with this, then what is the thing that when you do it, you feel out of your head and out of yourself and you enjoy your time? Because that's the thing you need to do. That little thing, you need to do that before you start writing. It's going to feel great. It's going to get your energy up. And more than that, it's going to bring up some confidence for you because you'll feel good when you sit down to start. So find your thing, whatever your weird little quirk is, your delightful, zany little thing, and let's do that a few minutes before we write. So there are 3 unconventional ways that you can get your creative process going. Again, we're avoiding the juices thing. Just stop. Stop with the juices. I would love to hear below in the comments how you get yourself excited to do your work. I would remind you, if you're not excited, this is for you right now. Don't put more stress on it. Unless someone has paid you some money to send them a book, this is all you expecting this of you. So this can be joyful, it can be fun, it can be exciting work to get into. We have to look for ways to make it fun, but we can do that. So share below. I'd love to hear, what are ways that you see helping you get your writing started, or what tips are you taking from this video to use? I hope you will like and subscribe. I have an entire playlist. It's a small playlist now, but it's growing, with writing tips and tricks for anyone new who's getting started. And I would love to talk with you more about this. It's one of my favorite things in the world to discuss. So I hope you'll stick around. I hope you'll talk to me below in the comments, and I will see you again soon.